Today I wanted to show you how to leverage Dropbox for online file sharing, especially with us, but we recommend it for everything that you do with your business. It's a nice little online backup of your files too. So if you don't have a Dropbox account set up already, make sure that you do that. Just go to dropbox.com. It'll ask for your information, email and password, and then you'll select a plan. Once you get to the plan area, if you're not using, well, obviously if you're setting up an account and you're not using Dropbox yet, you can select a free option. So there's going to be two boxes that, ask which plan you want to be on. If you just look down at the bottom, there's a free option that gives you up to 2 gigabytes. So that should be pretty good for a little bit. So go ahead and, get the free one, or, opt for the free 30-day trial with any of the other plans. Once you are logged into Dropbox, you'll see this Get Started by downloading Dropbox on your computer, which is pretty cool because that way you can sync files directly to your computer. You can just drag files into the Dropbox folder, and then whomever that particular folder is being shared with will actually receive those files as well. So what we've done is we've set up a Dropbox folder on our account that we are sharing with you so that you can then add in any logo files, brand guidelines, marketing materials, and definitely project imagery and headshots that we can leverage for the website and all of your marketing, including social media. And if we are going to put a nice lead gen offer together for you. So I recommend that you definitely download Dropbox on your computer and set up syncing. You can also set up or download the app on your phone. I've got this fun little picture of me here. The app is already downloaded. So all I do is this is an iPhone, I can select to share the photo, and then I can go down to, save on Dropbox, okay? You can select multiple images at once, and then you could just select to save to Dropbox, and you select a folder and just bam, click it and it goes right there. And again, it will automatically be shared with everybody that is sharing the file or folder with you. So in your document, you were provided a link to the shared Dropbox folder that we created for you. So there might be something in here. Most likely it's empty. So all you want to do is just click to save to your Dropbox, and you hit save, and it's saving. And now when we go to all of your files, if we go back to Dropbox, it immediately just took you to where you can start adding files to it. But you can just select that. Go to the home, and then you'll be able to see the folder. And here you can open this up. You could actually just drag files from your computer directly here. Again, I recommend that you get the desktop version, but it just depends on what works best for you. If you're going to be providing a lot of images on your phone, most likely ongoing, you will. Different crew members and stuff like that might put images, as they're taking them into the Dropbox folder, which will be great. So a couple of things to note here. You can rename this if you want to something that, maybe makes more sense for you. It's not going to impact how we see it on our end. So you can say, shared files with AE Design Co. Anything you want. Anyway, that's it. So if you can take a minute to upload any files that you have. Additionally, if you are already using Dropbox or have some sort of an online file software, that's totally fine too. Just send us the link or share a folder with us so that we can then get our paws on everything that we need in order to be successful with your marketing. Thanks.